back. Chef Callie Bacon is here now from the Cutting Edge Classroom showing us how to make a lattice apple pie. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Thank you for having me.
Yeah. You know, when I see these, I'm always so impressed.
Right.
And it looks so hard. Is it hard?
No.
It's easy.
It can be easy. Yeah.
Okay.
I think if you think it's hard, it's gonna be hard. But if you think it's easy, you're like, yeah, I'm just playing with dough.
Get in the right mindset.
So I started this one just to kind of show you. Okay. But all you do. So it's same crust as the bottom, so it's not like you have to make something special.
Okay.
But you just flip, alternating, put it down, flip back, and then you do, I do 5 across usually.
Okay.
And then you kind of have this, and then you're done.
So what do you use to cut the strips?
You can use a knife. I like to use scissors.
Okay.
Just because it's super easy. You don't have to worry about cutting your hands as much.
Yeah, which is important.
That takes the risk away. We don't need risk.
Cut the ends off there.
Yeah.
And how thick would you say those strips are? About half an inch?
Yeah, half an inch, quarter of an inch. You don't want them too thick because they won't cook the same rate as all the others.
Okay.
But you just kind of trim that up, and then what I like to do at home, I like to take a little milk. You could take an egg wash too, but most people have milk in the refrigerators. Okay. You don't have to do anything special. You just take a little, and it acts like a glue. So you just stick those on, they stick in, and then you don't have to worry about them coming off.
Nice.
And then you can kind of brush the strips too, and I like to sprinkle some raw sugar. You could just do white sugar as well. And then you kind of bake it, and you have something that looks like this.
That looks great. Now, did you pinch the side of the crust?
I did do a nice, like, fluted edge.
Okay.
You could just take a fork and push it across and make, like, that prong look, too. You could take a spoon and do the same thing. You can really take that and do what you want.
Okay.
I just usually do the fluted because that's my favorite. I think it looks the prettiest.
Okay.
But really, it's user's choice.
Does this work with homemade crust and if you just want to buy it in the store?
Yes. So you can take the refrigerated or frozen crust, roll it out. I would roll it out a little bit more. It's already rolled out for you.
Okay.
But just to kind of get the thickness that you want.
All right.
And then I use a pizza cutter, and I just cut strips. They have a fancy pie flute cutter. It has a nice, like, ruffled edge, but I just use a pizza cutter.
Wow, look, and it really ups your pie game.
Exactly.
When you take this to Thanksgiving dinner.
People think you're so fancy, but you used a pizza cutter and some scissors.
Well, what's coming up at the Cutting Edge Classroom?
We have a lot of holiday classes coming up.
Okay.
We're kind of ramping up for Christmas, which is funny, and Thanksgiving hasn't even happened yet.
Well, everyone's already in the mindset.
I know. It's already like Christmas decorations are out. Where are my Thanksgiving decorations? I want those. But yeah, we have a lot of great cookie decorating, cake decorating, things like that coming up. We have a lot of classes coming in January that I think people should go look at. Yeah.
So after the holidays too.
So a lot of things in the works.
Where can people go to find out more information?
Facebook is a great place. Our website, it's the cuttingedgeclassroom.com.
Okay.
Pretty simple. Go there. It has everything. It lists it by age groups, everything. So you can kind of pick what you are looking for and go for it. Yeah.
Perfect. All right. Hey, thanks for being here.
Thank you for
Happy
having me. Thank you. You too.